Welcome students. So hope that after long video sessions maybe you tired and some taste is also went, and in that case you become now slightly fresh. So we have ended lesson number 3. You have supported nice in that lesson, and now here we are going to entering in the another lesson, and it is also very interesting lesson number 7, P block elements. So again Lux School is welcoming you back in the video teaching. Hope that you will enjoy this. So lesson number 7. If we talk about lesson number 7, then first we have to talk about the P block. So dear students, in periodic table we have S and F block and P block elements. S block elements is consisting two groups. You know that which two groups are there. Group number 1 and group number 2. These are the part of the S block. And in P block, we have 6 part, that is the 13th, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So these are the P block element, and rest of remaining 3 to 12 are D block element. Actually F block is inner side of D block elements, and that's why they are separated. This is our previous knowledge. Now utilizing this knowledge we have to go. So now here we are going to take out the one overview onto the P block elements. Okay, so come on, let's study P block element. So here is the P block elements. You can see that periods 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 periods are there. The periods we have component each, total 7 periods, and in P block there are total 6 group, and these are the group 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. The 6 out of these 6 group, this 13 group and 4 group we have already studied in standard 11. Okay, so now remaining 15, 16, 17, 18 group we are going to study. But before to study that, the some notation I want to like to share with you. The Balgental, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium is the short form of the group number 30. Sisi Jeshenpa is the short form of the second group, that is the 14th group element. Now remember, now here you can remember like this. You have to remember this as a napas sabi. Napas sabi, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. Napas sabi. Oxitepo. Oxitepo. Oxitepo means to oxygen, sulfur. Here selenium. Selenium, by mistake C is written, but you have to remember this is not C. Okay, you have to remember here it is S. Here it is selenium. S and E is the symbol. Okay, so remember this is the selenium. Okay, and tellurium and polonium. Then after group number 7, that everyone remember, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, instantane, and last helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. These are the elements. Okay, so that you can remember. I hope that you can remember this very nicely. So this is our story about that. Okay, this is not our topic to study, it is SE. Okay, now never mind, next one. So here what you have to remember, see, these things are important. Their atomic mass, their atomic number, okay, and according to that reactivity. Okay, so here group number 15, 16, 17, 18, these elements are very important. Now first of all we have to remember this much. Dear students, very simply, when we move top to bottom in group, any group, ઉપરથી જ્યારે આપણે નીચે જઈએ છીએ, their atomic size increases. એ લોકોની atomic size increase થાય છે. So that here written કે radius is increasing. In red part you can watch out the radius. So when you move top to bottom, radius increases. Their metallic character also increase when we move top to bottom. Their metallic character increase. So for that we can say nitrogen may be non-metal, but bismuth may be metal. So that is the talk. Okay, how we can arrange them in metallic order in their radius forming order. So first, when we move in group from top to bottom, atomic radius increase, ionic radius increase, metallic character increase, but ionization enthalpy, it is decreases. Why ionization enthalpy decreases? Ionization enthalpy decreases because when we move top to bottom in period, group, at that time the size increasing, and due to the increase of the size, the element of the electron will be more and more apart from the center, and that's why there is a decrease between the attraction force between the center element and the outer element as the distance is increasing, and that's why this electron can be easily removable. So we can say that when we increase from top to bottom, what is happening? We find that ionization enthalpy decreases. So that is the group discussion કે ગ્રુપની અંદર આટલા જનરલ ટ્રેન્ડ તમને જોવા મળશે. કયો પહેલો જનરલ ટ્રેન્ડ છે? રેડિયસ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય છે. બીજો જનરલ ટ્રેન્ડ કયો છે? મેટાલિક કેરેક્ટર ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય છે. ત્રીજો જનરલ ટ્રેન્ડ કેવો છે? તો કે આયોનાઇઝેશન એન્થાલ્પી ડિક્રીઝ થાય છે. Now this is the most important trend that I am going to write here, and that you have to remember. ઓક્સિડેશન નંબરનો જે સ્મોલ નંબર છે, ઓક્સિડેશન નંબર, સ્મોલ ચાર્જ ઇન્ક્રીઝીસ. કયો ઇન્ક્રીઝ થશે એની અંદર? સો વેન વી મૂવ ટોપ ટુ બોટમ, જેમ સ્મોલ કેરેક્ટર છે એ વધારે ઇન્ક્રીઝ થતો જશે, વધારે સ્ટ્રોંગ થતો જશે, અને બિગ નંબર નાનો થતો જશે. સો બિગ નંબરની વેલિડિટી ઓછી થશે, સ્મોલ નંબરની વેલિડિટી વધી જશે when we move top to bottom in a group. Okay, we are talking about the electronegativity. So electronegativity also decreases when we move top to bottom. So this is few general idea regarding to the movement of the elements in group. Now we are going to discuss about such movement of the elements in periods. So dear students, what happening in period? So in period, that is happening that we are going to study now. So in period, what is happening? So dear, when we move left to right in period, what is happening? That we are going to study just now. So first of all, atomic radius or the ionic radius start to decrease, because in same group, in same orbit, the number of electron outer side and number of electron in center are going to increase, and that's why the net charge will start to increase, and that's why it is crunched out, and that's why the radius will decrease when we move left to right in period. So that is our first priority. Second, non-metallic character increases or metallic character decreases when you move left to right. See, aluminium is metal, but chlorine is non-metal. So when you move left to right in period, the metallic character decreases, non-metallic character increases